Good morning. How are you? I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Present our honorable CBS, special guests, and all audience. Take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Actually, I'm not a good speaker. However, I will try my best to talk about something according to my selected topic. My selected topic is introduce myself. I must try to be a good speaker in English. Keep me impaired. Now I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Saim Ahmad. My father name is Kamrul Islam. My mother name is Mamata Begum. My village name is Patol. My post office name is Purba Shahbazpur. My police station name is Boleka. My district name is Maulawazar. I was reading Fatal Banikul Hafiziyya Madrasa. Now I am reading Jamiat Hafizul Quran Chandigarh Madrasa. This is my short interview. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.